Everyone, welcome to AuthAction channel. In this video, I'm going to show how to call AuthAction Management API from our application. So, if you create a tenant in AuthAction, you will see AuthAction Management API in the APIs tab. So, for this is specific to tenant. So, if you create any tenant, you will also see the tenant specific AuthAction Management API. So, this is system created. And then we have a bunch of APIs, and then we have nice API documentation as well. You can call management API from your application and create application and then do whatever you want to do based on your use case. So in order to access AuthAction Management API, you need to use your system generated AuthAction Management API in your API server tab. So you're going to call this from your backend application. So that you need to create as a machine-to-machine application here. There is a 3 application type we support. One is for a front-end application and another one for machine-to-machine backend for application. You are going to call this management API from your backend application. So you need to create a machine-to-machine application just for example purpose. There is a test application, and then you can call your management API server from your machine-to-machine application. So the API server, your machine-to-machine application should have access to management API. For the demo purpose, I'm enabling here. And then in the quick start it will show this is the management API. This shows how to get the access token. Just a call command, and then you can also implement similarly in your backend application, and then you will get the access token, and then you can call management API endpoint using that access token. So we have a nice API documentation here. The first one is get access token for your M2M client app. I'm going to show demo here. So my tenant name is demo user. Okay, so I'm going to change my tenant name demo user, and then it's in the EU region, that's correct. And then I configure the tenant domain here, and then I need to pass the client ID, client secret, audience, and grant type. So you see from this example, you need to call the your tenant auth2/m2m token endpoint using client ID, client secret, audience, and so on. So client ID is your M2M machine application client ID, and then client secret. That is what you have shown in this example. So I'm copying the client ID here, and then I'm putting here. Just you can invoke this one from your curl, and also you can call similarly implement from your backend applications. For demo purpose, I'm showing it here. So I'm going to copy the client secret, and then I'm pasting it here, and then there is a client credential, and then audience param. So this is you can also get it from the audience param here. So this is the management API specific to your domain, your tenant domain. I'm adding it here, and then I'm going to try it, and then see I get the I got the access token here. Now I can use this access token to call any management API. This shows the, so I need to copy the access token. Okay, I'm copying the access token here. I'm going to another call list page netted applications. Here I'm going to copy the token, paste the token. So there are some double quotes also copied. Here it should be a BRF token. Yes, that's correct. Now if I call the application list page netted application endpoint, I should see whatever the application available in my dashboard also from this endpoint. So I'm trying it. I got the response. So I got 4 application next demo application, and then passkey plus demo application, that is same here. So similarly you can call the management API from your backend application using the success token you got from that first endpoint. Yeah, so for demo purpose I can also show is there any users here? Okay, I have a few users, and then I have one roles. Okay, let's see, the easy one is roles. Okay, find paginated roles, and then the token is already here, and then I try it, and then I got the roles details. Roles name is admin, and then which is in this tenant, and then description and is deleted or not. Okay, so it's same as your dashboard. So similarly you can call these endpoints from your backend application to call management AuthAction management endpoint to based on your need. You can create users dynamically, and also you can create application connections, organization. You can use all the management APIs, and then you can implement based on your need. Thanks. Happy coding.